Welcome. This is how to fix Android camera app keep closing. So, in order for you to fix this issue, guys, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. And now from here, you could just simply go ahead and select applications, and you could just simply find it by scrolling down a little bit and tap on it. So what we are going to do, guys, is we are going to reset the app. So here, let's try to find the camera. It's right over here. And now to reset the app, you can just simply select storage. And now down below, you should be able to have two options. So you will have a clear cache. So this means that it will slightly repair the app. Now, if it doesn't work, you could go for clear data, which it completely reset the application and just simply select OK, and this should fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.